Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make these gingerbread cheesecake cookies. It's super simple and easy and so festive, perfect for the holiday season. It starts off with a very chewy, spiced gingerbread cookie that is filled with a super easy cheesecake mixture, and once baked it makes the best cookie that you will ever have. It requires very simple ingredients, so without further ado, let's get started. In a small bowl, go ahead and combine some all-purpose flour, all of the following spices, some baking soda, and salt. If you don't have clove or nutmeg, you can always take the whole ones and grind them yourself. That's what I do. You don't have to buy the ground versions from the store. Give that a good whisk until it's fully incorporated, and then we're going to set this aside for now. Now in a separate larger bowl, we're going to add some softened unsalted butter. It's very important that your butter is soft, otherwise it's going to be very difficult to beat with the sugars. I'm going to beat this using an electric mixer for around a minute, just until it's nice and creamy. You could also use a stand mixer for this, and if you don't have an electric mixer, you could always do this by hand using a spatula. Next, we're going to add in some brown sugar and granulated sugar. You can use dark or light brown sugar for this recipe. Mix that on medium speed until it's nice and creamy for about 2 minutes. Next, we're going to add in some cooking molasses. You want to make sure that you're using the cooking kind. There are different types of molasses like blackstrap molasses, and you do not want to use that for baking. Give that a good mix again just until fully incorporated. Next, we're going to crack in 1 large egg that's at room temperature along with some vanilla extract, which I forgot to add in, but you don't want to forget vanilla because it makes such a difference. Beat that once again until it's nice and incorporated, making sure to clean the sides of your bowl in between. And that's it for the wet ingredients. Next, we're going to add in the pre-mixed dry ingredients from earlier, and then use your mixer on low speed to beat this until it's incorporated, and at a point it's going to get difficult to mix with your mixer. When that does happen, you're going to stop mixing, clean your attachments, and then switch to a spatula. Use a spatula to just mix up any of the remaining dry ingredients. You don't want to overmix. That will result in dry, cakey cookies. And that's it, our gingerbread cookie dough is ready to go. What we're going to do now is portion it out. I have here a 2.5 tablespoon cookie scoop. I'm going to scoop this onto a lined baking tray or plate. This was actually an ice cream scoop and not a cookie scoop, which is why I had to use a spatula to kind of scoop out the cookie dough because it wouldn't come out. But it doesn't really matter if you don't have a cookie scoop. You could also use a regular spoon and just eyeball it. We're going to put that into the refrigerator for around 2 hours or up to overnight. It's very important to chill the cookie dough, so do not skip this step. Now let's make the cheesecake filling. In a medium-sized bowl, you're going to go ahead and combine all of the ingredients. There's also whisked egg that goes in this cheesecake mixture, which I again forgot to add, and I added it off camera. I don't know what's wrong with me today. I was forgetting everything. You give that a good mix until it's nice and smooth, and then store that in the refrigerator just until you're ready to use it in the cookies. The cookie dough is nice and chilled, and what we're going to do now is coat these in some granulated sugar. Just add your sugar to a shallow dish like this, and then roll the chilled cookie dough balls around until they're fully coated. Repeat the process with all of your cookie dough balls. The detailed recipe with tips and tricks, step-by-step instructions, as well as the printable recipe is available on my website, thefoodflamingo.com, and you can find a link to that in the description box below. You can also find a link to sign up for my newsletter to receive all of my newest recipes right in your inbox. We're going to place these cookie dough balls on a lined baking sheet, making sure to leave enough room in between because they are going to spread out. I have here a half tablespoon measuring spoon, which I have greased on the bottom using vegetable oil, and we're going to use these to make the indentations in the center of each of the cookies like so. You want to be gentle, and if they do form some cracks, don't worry, you can use your fingers to fix those up. And that's me trying to get a shot of this for my shorts or reels. And then you're just going to repeat this process with all of the cookie dough balls. You do want to bake one tray at a time, so while this batch bakes, you can put the remaining cookie dough balls in the refrigerator. Next, we're going to add in the cheesecake fillings. Add about 1 tablespoon of the filling in each of the indentations like this, making sure not to add too much or too little. Bake these in an oven preheated to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes until the sides are golden brown and the cheesecake center looks set. Immediately after baking, I used a round cookie cutter, or you can even use a bowl that is slightly larger than the cookie to make them nice and round like this. Then let those cool down completely, and then you can dig right in. Simple, easy, and stunning, these gingerbread cookies are going to become your new favorite festive cookies. It's so good. It tastes just like you're eating a gingerbread cheesecake. It has a perfect chewy texture, so if you love chewy cookies, this one's for you. Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see other cookie recipes for the holiday season. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.